Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to subtract cells from each other in Excel. So if you also want to subtract cells from each other in Excel, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open your Microsoft Excel. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Open the file in which you want to carry out the subtraction. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now what you have to do is select the cell in which you want the subtraction value to be put. Now simply type equals to. Now click on the cell from which you want to subtract. Type minus. Now click on the cell which you want to be subtracted. Now simply press enter. You can see the subtraction value over here. Now hover over the corner of this cell. Now you'll be able to drag this cell. Simply click on the corner and drag your mouse. Drag up to which you want to subtract. Now you can see over here the subtraction value will appear in all the cells. So that is how you subtract cells from each other in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.